There are some visual styles are given in AutoCAD. These are given here in the view toolbar, which is available in ribbon. From here, click on this. There are a lot of shading mode. With this 2D wireframe, we are converting our drawing into the 2D wireframe. Now in the 3D conceptual, it will be in the shaded mode. Hidden views. This is the realistic. Here the material finish is also available in this realistic mode. Shaded mode. Shaded with edges. Edges are available in this mode. The shaded in the gray color. In this mode, the object would be in gray color. Sketchy. This is the sketchy. This look like the handmade sketches. This is the wireframe. This is the X-ray mode. This is nothing but it just look like the X-ray. These are the visual styles available in AutoCAD, which we can change from here. Generally we use conceptual. It looks pretty good. Here some views are given, like top view, bottom view, and some isometric views. All these are the standard views, and these are some isometric, which we have earlier learned from here also. To view the object. Now here, one more important part is there, single viewport. Single viewport and multiple viewport. Single viewport is this. In the single drawing area, it is being called as single viewport. And when we work in multiple viewport, our drawing area will be converted into 4 small screen like this. These are 4 part of that screen, and the 4 part of a screen are the 4 individual screen. Suppose we can activate any part by the double click on that. Suppose I want to activate this area, so I double click over here, and then I can zoom it, zoom out, and I can use all the button. I can set any view for this particular viewport. Now I fix the top view for this. Now I double click this, and I am putting here front view. I put front view in this viewport. Now in this viewport, I am putting SE isometric, and this would I would suggest it to any isometric. And these are the 4 viewport which I have adjusted according to our need. Suppose I change here. Now I am putting something on my object. Suppose I am sketching a circle on the top face, and I try to extrude this like circle. Enter. Now see the change. In all viewport, the changes will be done according to the changes done in the model. Now you can see the change in all the viewport. That means all the viewport are the single viewport, but the display options are different for the each viewport. This will make our 3D modeling easier. And after completing 3D modeling, I can convert it into the single viewport back. Now this is my final model. So this is the role of the view option.